Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 245. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 7. A 7 here, and 7 here, 2 and 7 here. So this is our 8, 2. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 in this box, so this is our 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 in this box, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this bottom row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 4, 8. 8 here, 9 here. That means this is our 4. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 2, 1, and that 1 makes this our 2. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 covering both of these boxes, so our 2 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 8. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. If we look at this top row, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so 1, 5. 1, 2, and 5 here, so this is our 7. 1 and 5 here, so this is our 2. Oh, didn't notice this 1 covering this box, so this has to be our 5 and our 1. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 7. We've got the 7 here, so 3, 4, 6. 4, 6, and 7 here, so this is our 3. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. The 3 and 6 makes this our 4. And so this is our 7. For this box now, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. And to finish off this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.